What is up, everyone? Good morning. It is Monday morning. Just got to work. Trying to get a couple shots in the office for you guys. You can see there's a sick conference room. How happy have you been?
So happy.
Going to O'Reilly's to pick up a new radiator for my car so I can drive my car. I'm driving Elena's car. I'm on my way home right now. I just left O'Reilly's. I ordered the new radiator. It'll be here tomorrow morning. They didn't have any in stock. Okay, well, we had to move the car a little bit. I had to put it up here because I had to get to the little stand for the battery to get to the hose way down here. Confidence levels, 90%. It's Robbie Turpin eating some tacos. Oh. And Claire almost knocked over her tacos. Oh, look!
Oh my gosh,
Well, we are back from the world's shortest road trip. The road to Idaho lasted one block. Alright, so I'm at Castle Park. I'm waiting for a couple of friends to get here. We're playing miniature golf. I'm just gonna chill and video them because it sounds fun. I'm not gonna play miniature golf myself. Hi, my name's Alyssa. What is rule number one?
Never get a guile friend.
Never get a guile friend. In your opinion, who is the worst player here?
solo round,
You.
not the team round.
Well, that's true because actually I'm the best because I don't even have one stroke on my scorecard.